In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to Shopify in just a few simple steps. This process will help automate your workflows, making your business operations more efficient and seamless. So, let's dive right in and get started with connecting these two powerful platforms. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Zapier website. You can easily find it by typing zapier.com into your browser. Zapier is a fantastic tool that allows you to automate tasks between different applications, like Shopify, without needing any coding skills. It's an essential platform for anyone looking to streamline their business processes. Once you've arrived at the Zapier homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login button, which should be prominently displayed on the screen. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up by following the on-screen instructions. For those with an account, simply enter your login details and proceed. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Zapier homepage. This is where you can manage your workflows and connections. Locate the App Connections section. This area is crucial because it's where you'll set up and manage connections between various applications like Shopify. In the App Connections section, find and click on Add Connection. This action will prompt you to search for the app you wish to connect, which in this case is Shopify. In the search bar, type in Shopify and hit Enter to see the available options. Once you see Shopify listed, go ahead and click on it. This will open a page specific to Shopify where you can initiate the connection process. On this page, you'll also see another option to Add Connection. Click on this button, which will start connecting your Shopify store to Zapier. Now, follow the prompts to authorize the connection. You'll need to provide your Shopify store details so that Zapier can access your store. This step may also require you to log into your Shopify account to grant the necessary permissions. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations! You've successfully connected Zapier to your Shopify store. This integration opens up a world of automation possibilities, allowing you to streamline tasks such as order processing, customer management, and much more. In conclusion, by connecting Zapier to Shopify, you're setting your business up for greater efficiency and productivity. Remember, automation is key to saving time and reducing manual errors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you're now ready to explore all the incredible automations you can create. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!